Hey YouTube, got a new build for you. Just picked this one up from the auction. Maybe you guys can help me name it. I was gonna name it Moby Dick, but that might be too much for the mobile park. Picked it up. It's been, sorry about trying to walk with one hand. My son saw me, but this thing got a lot of features. It had to be over close to $100,000 for them to build it. It's from the sheriff department. And it's got everything: generator, gas. It has, I'm thinking, air suspension. Heater. The catch is, it's been on fire. So the whole inside is burnt up. Let me see if I could take you around to the other side to show you. Probably need some light. I don't want you to come in here, Jaden. So, as you can see, this thing has been on fire. I need some light. Let me go grab some light real quick. Yeah. It smells bad, huh?
It's on my mouth. It's on my nose. It's on my mouth.
Oh, maybe y'all can see. So, the whole ceiling has been burnt.
Look down now. Yeah, dusty too.
What all this stuff is.
Let me try that. Mom.
Wood's been ate up right there. Jaden, don't come in here. All this. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's getting dark in here and I don't have any light. But yeah, it's a lot of damage.
Why? Mom?
Baby, can you get me a light out of the garage? This is where all the panels is, I guess. Luckily, this ain't got touched. Didn't catch on fire. I'll try to get some light so you guys can see a little better. It's another deep apartment. And then all this. Nothing touched up here. These chairs are nice and plush. This thing's a 2005, 25,000 miles on it. It's gonna be a fun build right here. I'm gonna bring it from 2005 back up to 2025. Little sink there. Oh, wow. I don't think this is. I have to rebuild this wood right here. A little, little vent. I don't know if this is a waterproof shower. I don't think so. But mirror. Yeah, I guarantee you the police department spend at least close to $100,000 on this. Gotta see if the air conditioner works. I don't know if this is gonna even be salvageable. It's in my toolbox right there in that. Okay. Now you can see a little better. Even me, I mean, I haven't really looked at this thing the way I should. I think this has worked. Yeah, this is done. Dang. Wish it wasn't. But hey, fan is nothing. So it looked like the fire was mainly right here in the center. Seats are real nice. Like, I don't know if you can make a bed out of it. And then you have all this that I'm gonna have to gut out. If I had to guess, I would say the microwave is the carpet. This is a refrigerator, right? Yeah, I would think, because this is a refrigerator. I think this is the air conditioner unit. I hope it works. That will be, I see wires though hanging, so I don't know. I'm sure those wires are just to the turn on and turn off switch. It's another command, and I'm sure these wires, oh, I'm sorry. These wires are for the command center. So you can probably get rid of all this. So I won't be doing anything like that. So we yank that out. Let's see what's in here. It says whiteboard. Nothing. More storage. Some good amount of storage in here. So what I'm thinking is we will leave this the way it is. Once the water pump. This gotta be the heater, water heater, water container, plumbing. Everything looks pretty darn good. Nothing looks damaged. At least I don't think. Guess we'll find out the hard way. Looks like it takes gas, because this is like a gas line. So I think this fire came from this microwave. Let me see if it's fire back here. Nope. So this is just surface fire. So it looked like this microwave caught on fire. So I'm gonna have to yank all this out, sand it down, replace the wood that needs to be replaced. But everything seems solid. The floor doesn't squeak. You can walk in here and it doesn't even move. So, what kind of TV is this? Try the computer monitor. Yeah.
We're not told anymore.
Some type of.
Put your glasses on. We're not told anymore.
Hopefully this works still. You come over here, some more Kenwood speakers. I wonder what all these speakers are for. But you know me, I'm gonna figure out a way to make this for the generator. Generator on. I don't know what these other light things are, switches are. This is how it turned off, or it's on?
Dad.
I feel like this is all on. I can't wait to see if the generator works. What is this? True charge. Status. True charge 2. 40 amp. And this is 12 volt. Danger. I hope none of these wires got damaged. So you got 4 speakers right there. Now what these speakers go to, I have no clue. Then you have 2 more Kenwood speakers right here. Let's see what else they have here. What's under here? It says phone. Oh, the door is steel. Bathroom door is aluminum. So that I don't have to repair. Now up here, I don't know what's going on. But we'll get rid of that. And what is this? Ani. Straight interior lights. None of them lights work, pretty sure. Then you have another button right here. I don't know what this for. It says antenna booster. Ooh. Hopefully that works. I had to figure out how to use that. Speakers everywhere. There's 2 more speakers there. Okay, so it's supposed to rain tomorrow. That's my son Jaden right there. Say hi, Jaden.
Hi.
Supposed to rain tomorrow, so
Yeah,
exterior power outlet, more speakers. Hopefully they ain't damaged. I gotta get some lights in here. That's what's gonna be first, because it's gonna be hard to do anything without any lights. And then
I think why you had moved.
gotta replace 2 fans.
Key. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Air conditioner.
Dad,
Yes.
you're not showing anymore.
It's closed.
You're not showing.
Doubt if it's closed, but it has a pocket door if y'all could see.
Woo!
Has a pocket door there, but I don't think it's gonna close. But we're gonna fix that, of course. Gotta be a steel rail. All these covers. But yep. So you guys get the first look on how it's gonna look. And we're gonna redo this whole thing. I think it's in pretty good shape, and it's a lot of storage. That's what I love about it. It's 2 separate areas, so I can make that into the kids' room. Could actually did a double bunk bed if I wanted to. I could take these cabinets out and do a double. You can't come in here. It's damaged, Jaden. You gotta wait till I know, but you can't come in here. Yes. You can zip it down. You're not taking it off. That's a slide out. It's perfect because I can make this into the kitchen counter. I don't know where you would put the stove at. I don't really cook anyways. Slide out stove. How about that? All right, so that's it. Until next time. If you want to see this build, please subscribe and hit the like button so you can be informed on what's going on with it. Okay, I'm out.